Good evening, viewers. Welcome to my channel, Census 2027 Learning Hub. So, in this CMMS video series, we will make every concept simple and learn each module through step-by-step hands-on practice. Let's learn it, do it, and master it. Let's get started. In our last video, we have discussed about our user management and HLO management. So we have discussed this menu, create or view HLBs, right? So we have learned that we need to fill some of the parameters like estimated population, number of panchayats, and number of HLBs. After that, we need to freeze it. We need to submit it, and after that we need to freeze it. Before freezing, we should be very much careful that these details we should fill it correctly, like estimated population and number of HLB, because on the basis of this only our HLB's sequence will be created. So after cross checking and finalizing this and at last we should freeze it. Once we freeze this screen, means the freezing of HLB creation, then this HLB mapping button will be enabled. This HLB mapping button, when we click on this button, it will redirect me to a different portal called Web Mapping Portal. So today in this lecture we will discuss on HLBC Web Mapping Portal. So let's click here. It is saying that you will be directed to HLBC Web Mapping Application. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. So I am redirected to a new portal. It is called HLBC Web Mapping Application. So here my OTP will be 123456, but this is the test portal, so this OTP is working. But in our live portal, the OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number of the charge admin, right? So charge admin or charge user. So after that I will sign in. So you can see this is the home page of our HLBC Web Map Application Portal. So here you can see these are some of the descriptions which are given, like geotagging of HLB landmarks. See, there are 101 HLBs, right? Out of which geotagging is completed for 25 and 76 are in pending. Similarly, for descriptions, we have given the descriptions for 1 and around 100 HLB we have not given any description. And the third point is demarcation of HLB boundaries. So how many HLBs we have already demarcated? The boundaries are 24, and the rest 77 we have not yet demarcated. So this is just a summarized view of what is the status of our HLB demarcation and geotagging. So after that there is an option of assignment. So this menu basically, let me explain it what it will do. This menu is used, let's say charge admin has many work, so it is not possible for charge admin to draw the demarcate the HLB by itself for all the HLBs. In that case, he can assign some of the HLBs to some other users, charge user, like. So in that case we need to from here we need to select the charge user and also give the numbering. Let's say from 8 and 9, from 8 to 9 we are giving to some different charge users, Ramdas. So after that, if we assign it, then this 5 and 6 will be assigned. See, HLB is reassigned successfully. So to Ramdas, this 8 and 9 HLBs are allocated. See. So after that we will be going to the map menu. See, 8 and 9 Ramdas. So you are clear, I think so. This is very much easy. See, HLB 8 and 6 assigned to Ramdas. So after that we will go to the map menu. This is the main menu where we need to do the demarcation, right? So let's say I am taking one village, any village. Let's say I am copying it here from here, the village name, and then I will be pasting it here. let's say I pasted it and I am searching it. So it is showing here, somehow here it is showing. So what I will do, so I need to do the demarcation, right? So let's say for demarcation I have to go to be geotagged and village name, any village I can take. Let's say I am taking this village. This is just the test portal, so I am taking this as an example how I will demarcate and geotag. So first thing is geotagging, right? As more and more people are using this portal, so this portal is showing some lag or slowness. Please bear with this. So it is taking a long time to response. We'll wait a few seconds. After that we need to discontinue this video here only, because okay. So you can see many HLBs are already created. So let's say I am creating one more HLB, right? Let's say Chutiapara LP School. I am keeping this as a my geotag location, right? So if let's say geotag location, I need to here mark the name of the landmark, the LP School. So what I have done, let's say explain it once. Let's say these are some of the icons. Okay, first one is HLB geotagging, and next icon is HLB demarcation, and next is add data, and after that is HLB overlap handler. So these icons, these are the main icons under map which we'll be using, right? So first we will be using HLB geotagging. If we click it, after that we will select to be geotagged. See, these are some of the status of a geotag. One is to be geotagged, the new HLBs which will be geotagging for the first time. In progress, if the HLB is in progress mode, then we need to select in progress. If the HLB is already completed, and then we need to use that completed status. If it is modified, then we will click the modified. So let's say we are drawing the HLB for the first time, so we'll be selecting to be geotagged, and after that we will be selecting any village, let's say Dhanbil, and I will click on Dhanbil. Let's say this is the Dhanbil, let's say this is the Dhanbil village. So I will put my landmark here, and I will mention the name of the landmark, Chutiapara LP School. Okay, so as you can see, it is in progress. I will change the status to completed, and then I will save it. After saving, the color of the landmark will change to yellow. You will see it here live. See, landmarks, and it is changed to yellow. So after that, you can see there is a cursor in my plus sign. See, plus sign, there is a cursor. Okay, so I will go here and I will zoom it. So let's say I am starting my HLB area. This area I will be considering for this HLB, right? So I'll start from here. Only thing I need to keep in mind that our landmark should be inside our HLB boundary. Okay, so I will click it and drag it. Again I will click it and drag it. Again I will click it and drag it like this. We should align our line with the road so that the proper HLB polygon is created. And after this, and now I will double click it. When I will double click it, and then I will wait, I will keep it in progress and save it. See, this is saved, and you can see that the color is inside the HLB, the color is red. For reference you can use this. See, only red is in progress. Once it is completed, the inner color will be green, right? And if it is modified, it is also green, and to be demarcated, it will be in purple. You can see a village boundary color yellow is coming. So in live portal you will get this yellow color village boundary also. So in UAT, in testing also it will come, but it is taking time. So in live portal you will get this yellow boundary for all village and ward boundaries. So now we have created this HLB. Let me create another HLB. So to be geotagged, and now I will take another village, let's say this village, and I will click it. Let's say landmark, any landmark I can take. This is the, let me consider this as a landmark. Okay, and let me write Chutia Para Prathomik Vidyalaya. I think you are clear with this. This is very easy. And then after that we need to change the status to completed and save it. Okay, after saving you can see the color has also been changed. Now my next HLB will be covering this area, right? So I will start from here. I will drag it up to here, and then I will make here. It's a large area, so I can consider up to this. And again drag and click and drag. So let's say this is my final HLB boundary. Okay, and now what I can do, I can save it. So this is taking time as more and more people are using the HL training portal, so it is taking a longer time to respond. No problem, we will wait. So this is basically most important in our CMMS portal, because as we all know that we have created our offline HLB count and estimated population for ward and villages. So referring that sheet, we need to demarcate the HLB here, right? So we should by doing the field visit, we should create the table work, or we should create the offline map first, because only referring the offline we can demarcate over here. So I think this server is taking too much time. Let me cancel it. Oh no, it's got hang. Okay, so we'll continue in our next video from this only. Okay, wait. Okay, it got updated. Not visible yet. Let's draw it once more. There may be some issues. Okay, let's discontinue this video here. Wait. So, okay, let's discontinue this video here as there is some issue in the server. So thank you for watching this video, and hope this video will be beneficial for this forthcoming census 2027. For more step-by-step CMMS practical videos, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming session. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.